Guys, here we have a selection of pretty good finds. Here we've got like a garden weasel or a frog. You can straighten them out and make a frog gig out of it. You've got 5 of these rubber bungee cords. You've got a jack that works. That'll jack up stuff when you're in can't do nothing else. That thing will be handy. Light job, it's not very heavy. Here's a ratchet strap, all rolled up. Here's some light hose. Here's an extension cord with 2 plug-ins on it. Here's some John Deere parts right here, washers, picture hanging kit or what. We're not selling you junk. I'm trying to sell you something that you can use. People, they just don't always need it. Here's a lid for your tray for your toolbox. I think this is a John Deere jack stand. Here is the biggest bolt I think I've ever seen. This thing's 22 inches long. I think a good hitch pin is like an 1.25 inch diameter. Threads on one end. Make a couple hitch pins out of it, nothing else. Then you've got some nylon rope. You've got some, what is this, plastic? What is this called, this stuff? Poly rope. You've got 2 poly ropes, yellow. You've got you another lariat or what here, another pretty heavy rope.
Milwaukee.
That's all, folks.